Hey y'all, on the menu today will be banana muffins. Now if you've already been here before, welcome back, and if this is your first time, welcome. Now y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to get ready with me when I get ready to start my baking process. I'm gonna show you guys every little step I take. And so if you like videos like this, please comment down below that you would like to see more of these. But I want you guys to sit back and just enjoy the video. And if you would like to see me make these muffins and the recipe, stay tuned. Alright y'all, I am done with prepping the kitchen. Everything is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into making these muffins. We're gonna go ahead and start with our bananas. And make sure you mash those very well. You want them nice and smooth. If they have a little hunks in it, chunks in it, it's okay. Put the brown sugar in. Go ahead and drop them eggs in. Make sure everything is room temperature. We don't want anything cold at this time. We want to go ahead and get this done and make for sure they come out perfect. So just mix that up real good, y'all. Make for sure that brown sugar does break down with the eggs and the banana. If y'all can just smell this banana, oh my God. So once you get that sugar all broke down in there, go on ahead and get your melted butter and go on and pour all of that in. And if you have to, go on ahead and scrape all of that butter out of that bowl. You want it all. Mix that up real good, y'all. Get that well combined. These are going to be so nice and fluffy and sweet. Not real sweet, but that perfect sweet. Going to get your flour mixture because we're going to sift this real quick. I'm just going to do it directly over the bowl. And all of the ingredients will be on the screen. Now go on ahead and shake to the rhythm of tick. Okay, Get all that flour in there with all that goodness. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix that up real good. We want to make for sure all that gets all mixed in. We don't want no flour by itself. We want to get all that together. And as you can see, I'm not using a mixer or anything. All of this is by hand. So simple and easy and absolutely delicious. Do you hear me? We almost done with this here part. I just want to make for sure I get all of that dry ingredient into this wet, because we got to add this extract in here. And we're going to use some banana extract, and we're going to use some vanilla extract. And once you get both of those in there, of course, mix that up too. You want to get that well distributed in this mixture. All right, it's time for us to go ahead and start putting these muffins in the pan. And y'all see me at the beginning when I did grease the pan, you know, with that spray. Just go ahead and spray it on down or butter it up, whatever you want to do, and go ahead and put you some of that mixture in your little muffin pans. We're gonna drop it in the oven, y'all. Look at that. Yum yum. Go on and drop it in that oven. Let them things go on ahead and cook on up. And in the meantime, in between time, we're gonna put them chocolate chips in the rest of that mixture and go on ahead and mix that up. You put as many as you want in here, and you can put whatever kind of morsels that you want to put in your banana bread mixture, or banana muffin. My bad, banana muffin mixture, because this is not banana bread, baby. Not at all. Okay, so we're gonna take the other ones out the oven and just go on ahead and let them fall on out. Some of them need a little help. We're gonna give them a little push or a pull, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on ahead and sit these to the side, but check this out. These are just poppers. Just pop it in your mouth. Put about 5 of these in a little plastic bag for your child at school. And they have a snack, baby, or a good little snack for lunch. Either they can eat it in the classroom if the teacher allow it, or they can eat it at lunch. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Now we got the chocolate chip ones. We're going to go ahead and put those in the greased pan as well. Just drop these bad boys in, and we're going to put them in the oven too. Now, you know these are good. If you like chocolate chips and you like that extra little bite, oh my God, you cannot go wrong. Look at that cinnamon and stuff up in there. Y'all see that? And then you want to top it with some extra morsels. Just put you a few on there of whatever kind of morsels that you gonna use. And baby, you good to go. You just go ahead and drop them in the oven. And here you go, your banana muffins, some plain and some with chocolate chips. All right, y'all, it's time for me to go. Bye.